long will it take it?
Right out in Missouri.
Okay. So
I've been working. I don't got nothing.
nothing in your hat?
No.
Okay, right back on. No, because I'm by myself.
Oh.
And I'm going to and then on my
Oh, I've been in this place. This is not my area. Yeah. I just live here because I live in a sober living home.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna let my PO know and all this shit, right? I get it all the time because of the way I look. I keep talking the way I look. Yeah, that's your spell. Hey brother, what are you doing?
Just looking out for you, man.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, I see.
I don't think, how long?
AB109. Yeah, I'll let him know. I let him know. I work every day, so.
This is also how the city. I've got an adult here. I'd like to verify or AB109.
He's on AB109 probation.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. We're good.
Right there.
Like in the upper 70s.
Right there, that 858 number on
Not bad out here now.
Yeah.
Well, that one, this one is for us.
I know, but that's his cell number.
No, this one. Oh, this
Yeah,
one.
sounds like they called the probation officer, came back good.
That's his cell number.
And I'm sure he's gonna
I
be
know that
released.
for a fact.
Okay.
Because I had it, but I had to but I don't have it no more. And I'm asking for it.
He said that you're good. You don't have to check in until the beginning of the
No,
month again.
yeah, I know, on the 27th.
Nope. Don't know.
Be there this month, okay? Right away. What those are.
In and out, in and out.
Got them.
Yep. I got one outside right here. This one on my chick.
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm not twisted. I can't be twisted.
Let's see.
I'm way down. you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Clean, I'm doing the right thing and working and
Here's your interview.
but if I can't get you that phone number, that's great.
That should be okay for it afterwards.
Yeah, I would.
Like it is, but it's specific page. It doesn't say. Oh, I got it. It's a
Oh, fuck authority.
I couldn't see it.
Oh, that's what it is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, fuck authority.
I couldn't read it. I thought it was somebody's name.
That
I was
was-
like, who
yeah.
would take you off that bad?
Some of you guys do, but you're pretty cool.
I tried.
Yeah.
All right. Any questions? All right.
Good.
Just make sure you contact like probably tomorrow, Monday, letting your PO know.
For sure.
Have a good one.
How you
Alright,
doing?
man. Be safe, man.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm just with Copwatch, man. We just film the cops to make sure they don't violate people's rights and shit.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, she might be cool right now, but I've seen
Yeah.
her do some shady ass shit. So,
Oh,
I
really?
mean, yeah, we follow them, we monitor them, you know, make sure that
Sweet.
they're fucking doing their job and following their policies, you know.
Yeah, because I was.
police.
I think because I was being cool and
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
but that's pretty cool. What do you cop my with?
Copwatch.
Copwatch, really?
Yep. There's a bunch of people all over that do this, man.
Yeah. Look at them now; they're all coming.
Yeah. Yeah, we monitor them. I live right here, man. I fucking heard it on the scanner. They just they jumped out on you and
Yeah, they.
no reason.
And you're on it, huh?
Yep.
Sweet. All right, bro. My name's Greg.
Aaron, man.
All right, Aaron.
Nice to meet you.
Yep.
Be safe.